In this video, I'm going to share with you how I use Descript to create YouTube Shorts or Reel. So I have my projects here. This is the latest videos I uploaded to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to click this project and I will log into my project. This is a complete script that I upload to my YouTube channel. You go to On the Law, scroll down, you'll find here repurpose, and you can create clips, highlight reel, find highlights. So I'm going to try and create clips. You can choose how many clips you want and the duration. So this is okay. I'm going to create 5 and each is 30 seconds. You can see the layout. These social clips. There are templates over here you can choose. You can see there are different colors of the highlight captions, and there are even more. I would choose this one and let's see the result. There are more layouts you can choose from, and these are all horizontal. This one is vertical. This is also captions, clips. So I'm going to click this one, all right? And let's see, and I'm just submit it. So these are the clips are created, and you can still choosing a different layout here. Okay, let me just click done. And from here, you go to this title over here, you drag down, you'll see the new clips from the ManyChat. And I'm going to one of them. You can see it has changed the format to the vertical version for phones. And I will go through each and every composition here, each and every one, and then I will pick the best one to upload to my YouTube Shorts. So I have looked through these 5 different YouTube Shorts. Descript repurposed my video for me, and I found there is one I can use easily because this video is a walkthrough video. I think it's a little bit challenging for creating a short. So I think Descript does a great job. At least I have one. It's very good. All I have to do is just add something in it. And I have looked through the script. So this basically just lack of call to action. That's what you want people to do after watching this video. I'm going to my original video clip here and find the sentence I was talking about. Go to the description to click on the link. So I just quickly go through it. I think it's about here. Yes, I will leave the link in the description so you can go ahead to try it for yourself. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this and go back to the clip, and then I'm going to paste just over here, just at the end. Okay, and it will look tons better. And of course, you can see there are the screen is cut off here. Let me show you. Let me just hide this timeline and also here. And so you can see I have to move the screen. So what I would do is I just cut to just do a slash here. That means that I just cut into a separate section. So whatever I edit here is not going to affect the previous one. So here, and I'm going to just enlarge over here. So just about here. And I want to still have the text over. And so I need to move this one backwards. I'm just right click on my mouse and I can choose layer order. So I'm going to move backwards. So you will have the text in the front. Okay, the transcription is not entirely correct. For example, it's not ManyChat, it's called ManyChat. So I highlight it and click correct and just correct to ManyChat. And I can click correct all. The search panel come up and there are 7 exactly the same called ManyChat. So I'm going to correct them all. Okay, and I'm going to close it and carry on to correct all the words. So I'm going to go ahead to export this. And I'm choose the video and destination. I will choose the local export and I just can export it. That's resolution and quality, and now it's exporting the video, and then I'm going to upload to my YouTube Shorts. So you can see my video now is live on YouTube Shorts. So this is how to use Descript to repurpose your YouTube video or long form video into Shorts or Reel. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's Lili Amanda, and I will see you in the next video.